Verbal Intelligence MCQs. Question number 1. Car is to garage and aeroplane is to. Option A, port. Option B, hangar. Option C, harbor. Option D, depot. Answer is option B. Explanation. Question number 2. If Brazil is to South America, then Egypt is to. Option A, Africa. Option B, Asia. Option C, Europe. Option D, Arabia. Answer is option A. Explanation. Question number 3. Skype is to talk as YouTube is to. Option A, play. Option B, eat. Option C, watch. Option D, listen. Answer is option C. Explanation. Question number 4. Muslims are to mosque and Sikhs are to. Option A, Golden Temple. Option B, Fire Temple. Option C, Temple. Option D, Gurdwara. Answer is option D. Explanation. Question number 5. Cloth is to soap as computer is to. Option A, software. Option B, hard disk. Option C, Windows. Option D, antivirus. Answer is option D. Explanation. Question number 6. Take 90% of 100 and again 90% of its answer. The final answer will be option A, 79. Option B, 81. Option C, 80. Option D, 90. Answer is option B. Explanation. Question number 7. 20% of 25% of 20 is. Option A, 1. Option B, 1/3. Option C, 2. Option D, 3/2. Answer is option A. Explanation. Question number 8. Oceans are to deserts and waves are to. Option A, sand dunes. Option B, sea. Option C, dust. Option D, ripples. Answer is option A. Question number 9. How many months have 28 days? Option A, 1. Option B, 2. Option C, 3. Option D, 4. Answer is option A. Explanation. Question number 10. Import is to export and expenditure is to. Option A, tax. Option B, deficit. Option C, debt. Option D, revenue. Answer is option D. Question number 11. Driver is to car as dash is to aeroplane. Option A, fuel. Option B, pilot. Option C, navigator. Option D, officer. Answer is option B. Explanation. Question number 12. If brush is to painting as pencil is to. Option A, sketch. Option B, map. Option C, notebook. Option D, paper. Answer is option A. Explanation. Question number 13. Which one is different from the rest? Option A, India. Option B, Germany. Option C, Nepal. Option D, Yemen. Answer is option B. Explanation. Question number 14. Which one is different from the rest? Option A, square. Option B, rectangle. Option C, triangle. Option D, circle. Answer is option D. Explanation. Question number 15. If PRAYER is to 593749, then what stands for YEAR? Option A, 3479. Option B, 7349. Option C, 7439. Option D, 5939. Answer is option C. Explanation. Question number 16. But is to tub as 2343 is to. Option A, 3432. Option B, 3234. Option C, 4323. Option D, 2343. Answer is option A. Explanation. Question number 17. What number comes next in the following series? 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, next is. Option A, 12. Option B, 13. Option C, 14. Option D, 15. Answer is option B. Explanation. Question number 18. Book is to title as man is to. Option A, women. Option B, sir. Option C, girl. Option D, name. Answer is option D. Explanation. Question number 19. Pension is to retirement as pay is to. Option A, old age. Option B, hard work. Option C, development. Option D, employment. Answer is option D. Explanation. Question number 20. Finger is to hand as toe is to. Option A, foot. Option B, knee. Option C, arm. Option D, ankle. Answer is option A. Explanation. Thanks for watching video.